When it comes to maintaining the shine and finish of your vehicle, a high-quality car polisher is an essential tool. While traditional corded polishers have been the go-to choice for many, the convenience and portability of car polishers have made them increasingly popular among both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. In this video we break down 5 best affordable car polisher machine on the market for this year based on price, performance and situations they'll be used in, so if you're interested in finding out which car polisher will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comment section which polisher toolkit you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. 5th product on our list, Baseus Polisher Machine for Car. The Baseus Car Polisher Machine wireless, electric polishing tool promises to make waxing your car easier and more efficient. The Baseus Car Polisher stands out with its cordless design, offering the convenience of waxing without being tethered by a cord. With a powerful 3800 R/min motor, it delivers strong and stable performance, ensuring smooth and efficient polishing. The machine also features an eccentric rotating shaft, which helps avoid over-polishing in one area, giving you a uniform finish every time. This polisher comes with 3 types of pads for different stages of the waxing process. The waffle foam pad is perfect for sealing the glaze, while the flat foam pad is ideal for applying wax. Finally, the polishing wool pad ensures a smooth, dry finish. Plus, with a long 45-minute battery life, even larger cars can be waxed in one go without interruptions. The Baseus Car Polisher Machine is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to keep their car in top shape. Its cordless convenience, powerful motor, and versatile pads make it a solid choice for both beginners and pros. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient polisher, this one is definitely worth considering. 4th product on our list, Autiwoz Cordless Car Polisher. The Autiwoz 125mm Cordless Car Polisher Set, a must-have tool for anyone serious about car care. This powerful and versatile machine is designed to make waxing and polishing your vehicle a breeze, whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast. The Autiwoz Cordless Car Polisher comes equipped with a 4.0 Ah battery, providing up to 120 minutes of continuous use. With a quick 2.5-hour recharge time, you'll spend more time polishing and less time waiting. The 5-inch, 125mm, backing plate is perfect for covering large areas quickly, while the dual action ensures a smooth and even finish every time. One of the standout features of this polisher is its 6 variable speed settings, allowing you to adjust from 2000 to 4500 RPM. This range gives you the flexibility to tackle everything from light waxing to more intensive polishing jobs. The soft start function ensures smooth operation, preventing any sudden jolts that could damage your vehicle's paintwork. Designed with outdoor use in mind, the Autiwoz Cordless Polisher is perfect for long sessions of car waxing and polishing. Its ergonomic design and LCD display make it user-friendly, providing you with real-time information on your speed settings and battery life. This is a tool built for efficiency and ease of use. The Autiwoz 125mm Cordless Car Polisher Set offers power, precision, and portability. Whether you're looking to achieve a flawless finish or simply maintain your vehicle's shine, this polisher has you covered. Upgrade your car care routine today with Autiwoz. 3rd product on our list, Batoca S4 Cordless Polishing Machine. The Batoca S4 Cordless Mini Polishing Machine, a game-changer for car detailing enthusiasts and professionals alike. This versatile tool is designed with precision and convenience in mind, making it an essential addition to your car care arsenal. The Batoca S4 stands out as one of the most flexible polishers on the market, thanks to its lightweight and ergonomic design. This makes it incredibly easy to handle, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny of your car without needing to switch tools. The multiple gripping positions offer stable and comfortable handling, giving you control and precision during every use. Plus, the rubber collar on the head of the tool ensures that your car's surface remains scratch-free, providing peace of mind as you work. One of the most significant advantages of the Batoca S4 is its cordless design. Say goodbye to the frustration of tangled cords, tripping hazards, and limited mobility. With the Batoca S4, you have the freedom to polish or sand anywhere, whether you're in your garage, outside, or even on the go. No more worrying about finding an outlet or needing an extension cord. This tool offers true convenience without sacrificing performance. The Batoca S4 Cordless Mini Polishing Machine is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly tool that takes the hassle out of car detailing. If you're looking for a polisher that combines power, flexibility, and convenience, the Batoca S4 is the perfect choice. 2nd product on our list, Maxxt Car Sanding Machine. The Maxxt 6-inch multifunction automotive brushless random electric orbital sander, your go-to tool for precision sanding. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this sander is designed to meet your needs with its advanced features. It's not just a tool, it's a game-changer in the world of automotive sanding, offering versatility and efficiency in one compact package. One of the standout features of the Maxxt sander is its variable speed control. This allows users to adjust the speed according to the task at hand, ensuring precision and a flawless finish every time. The dual grit options, 5.0mm and 2.5mm, make it easy to switch between coarse and fine sanding, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from smoothing rough surfaces to achieving a polished finish. The brushless motor is another key highlight, providing consistent power and reducing wear and tear over time. This not only enhances the performance but also extends the lifespan of the sander. Additionally, the ergonomic design of the handle ensures that you can work comfortably, even during extended periods of use, without feeling fatigued. The Maxxt sander is both lightweight and portable, making it easy to maneuver and perfect for on-the-go projects. Whether you're working in a garage, a workshop, or on-site, this sander delivers the power and precision you need. First product on our list, Spta Dual-Action Car Polisher. The Spta 18-volt 5-inch Cordless Car Polisher. This dual-action machine is designed for those who demand professional-grade results. Unlike traditional polishers, its random orbit action ensures swirl-free polishing and sanding. This feature makes it ideal for polishing, waxing, and removing swirls without the risk of damaging your vehicle's finish. One of the key features of the Spta polisher is its self-locking power switch. This allows users to maintain a consistent speed without holding the button down, reducing fatigue during long polishing sessions. The speed regulator is conveniently placed above the thumb, making adjustments easy. With a speed range of 2000 to 4500 OPM, this tool ensures flexible and reliable polishing results. This polisher is powered by a 4000 mAh lithium battery, offering up to 45 to 60 minutes of use after a quick 120 to 150 minute charge. The cordless design allows for easy maneuverability, making it perfect for use anywhere, without the hassle of cables. The compact and lightweight design ensures comfortable handling, even in tight spaces. Each Spta polisher comes with 2 lithium batteries, ensuring continuous operation without downtime. This makes it perfect for both home use and outdoor projects. With its combination of power, portability, and ease of use, the Spta 18-volt 5-inch Cordless Car Polisher is an excellent choice for achieving professional-level results with minimal effort.